your paper, and you're also going to need some writing tools. Like you can use markers or pencil crayons, whatever you prefer. So taking your hand, place it in the center of your paper, spread it out like so. Then taking your marker, just trace around your hand here. Go around all your fingers. For this part right here, you may just have to remove your hand and close it off there. Gonna fix that. Okay. And I'm just gonna add now the legs to our turkey. Yep, maybe I'll have them right there. And my fingers are pretty small, so the head here is tiny. But I'm gonna add an eye right there. Add a beak. Looks like that. And taking my red pencil crayon, I'm gonna add the waddle. That goes there. Here we go. There. Maybe I'll add some orange to the beak there. Get a little more color. Okay, now it's time to add what we're thankful for. So for me, I'm really thankful for my family. So I'm just gonna rotate the paper there and write family. Here we go. Another thing I'm thankful for is a good meal. I'm just gonna add a good meal. Okay. And you know, with cold weather here, you know, it's starting to get cold, I would say I'm very thankful for warm clothes. So I'm gonna write that there in the center. Okay. Another one I'm thankful for is music. I love listening to music, and I'm so thankful that we can listen to music. So let's write that down. Okay. And I think that's good. If you want, you can also color in your turkey.